and for today's moments, madness and whatever, and bad gameplay, we're going to badly try Apprentice here on the Amiga 1200. This is a platform game, and this is the furthest I've ever been with this game. I don't know why I'm saying this in a stupid voice, even stupider than usual, but let's press fire and find out what we got. We got loading. Aren't I lucky? Okay, we shall wait for that to pass, and then we shall continue. Alright, and we are back, and we have Apprentice ready. So, what we got? We got walkie walkies, we got jumpy jumpy, fire. Fire just makes him do strange things. We can't crouch. Nope. Okay. Alright then, let's see what we can do. So, obstacles, any obstacles. Oh, we got these things. Alright, okay, over them. So far, I'm getting that Mario feel. Oh, hang on. Okay. I can kick these. Okay. Ah! Right, okay. That's handy. Whoa! Just, oh, no, get over there. Get back here. Not like you were hedgy hoggy. Destroy hedgy hoggy. Right, okay. So. Oop. Right, up we go. I have no weapons. Strange clouds. No weapons. So, at the moment. So, where would you go weaponless? I can only use those crates things. So. Whee! Oh, no, there's no. There we go. Right, let's get some apples. So, it looks like apples are the fruits of our labour in this game. So, I could not resist that. I'm getting ones. I don't know what I'm getting ones of, but I'm getting ones. So. Right, do I get him? No, I'm getting the feeling I have to avoid him. So I shall! Because I'm smart like that, you see? So they say. Right. Oh, Mr. Wizard, come here. Yes, kick up the ass, literally. Oh! I got in his shop. I'm clever. Ooh, okay. I get leaves, I get nose, or I get bombs. Well, I like the thoughts of these little bomby things if I could select them. Can I go? No. Can I select them? Oh, price 10. Right, okay, so I got no price of 60. What? Can't afford anything in this shop, it's too expensive. Okay, so, right, exit. So it looks like I'm not getting anything there then. Right, okay. Hope there's no enemies now. I've kicked that away. Ignored it. Right. I don't know why I'm pressing the fire button to jump. It's just habit because every other bloody game has it. Go! Oh, yes! Oh, doing well here. That looks like the key. I got the secret. I got the key to... Now, I'm going to need, because there's quite a few things down there, I'm going to need something like... box to finish them off. If I get the box down there, where's that brush? There's that rodent. Right, jump up there. Oh! No! Didn't know we could do that. Oh, poo. Right, come on then. Yeah. Well, he touched me in an inappropriate way. Right. Let's just wait for him to brush off. Get it? Brush off? No. Okay. Alright, I can... Oh, the box is down here now. That's no use for me, is it? Can I get another... Uh-oh. Ooh, that was lucky. I'm just going to follow him outside. Having to really improvise here. Because those enemies are much closer than I'd bloody like. These shops are expensive, so it's almost as expensive as the spa shop. But I'm in one. I got past the wizard, even though I had no weapons to remove him. Loading. Loading. More loading. Ba 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 baby ba. Right, okay. It looks like that was an end of level thing, so I'm going to kick this down here because I got a feeling there might be somebody hiding down here. Aha! Who needs seeing to with that? I just kick it ahead of me like that, you see. Just keep kicking it. And then it makes me immune to all enemies that I presently know of. Excellent. No sort of countdown, is there? No countdown, so can go. That's very arcadey when it does that, isn't it? So you can just roll it back like that and keep him going forward. Right. I hate jumps with a passion. I'm passionate about my hatred of jumps. Right, come on. Whoa! Hey, you little bastard. Alright, come on. Whoop, and whoop. Right, I'm going to make use of you. Yes. 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 Why have I got climby things? Oh, it's because I'm going to go down here and collect the ones. You are the one who adore me. You are the one when I do a wee. You are the one. Right, go. Whoop. Oh. Pooh. Spiders. Spiders. Ooh, okay. This thing enjoys being kicking. It's seriously in the bondage. Ooh. I don't know what that was, but there we go. Spidey baby. Biting hole spider. Right. Hate those brooms. Reminds me of Disney. Okay, I can't get down there for some reason. And that bloody rodent thing has got me stuck in the corner. No continues? No, it looks like once you're dead in that one, you're dead. So, that is Apprentice. Quite like that one. Fun little game. Not too manic, and a few little puzzles to do. And good graphics and a little bit of entertaining music to keep you entertained in the background. Apart from that piece of music, which is utter rubbish. So, there you go. If you enjoyed that and you aren't subscribed, then please subscribe and hit the notification bell to actually remind you we've got new videos out. Other than that, you can join us on Facebook and Twitter, and if you really like the channel, you can support us on Patreon. Other than that, thanks very much for watching. If you have any ideas of games you'd like to play on the Amiga, then please let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching.
You need to quit being dirty. You're a dirty boy.